Hey there YouTube, this is SGM4306, and you know what, I'm kind of bored, so let me grab my board of board. Here's my board of board, so I'm just gonna randomly pick a couple things, and let's just see. I'll close my eyes, and I'll just sort of stab it with the pen. Let's just see what it lands on, and I will do a project on that. Okay, so it looks like I'm making a fidgety something. And another one. Fidget laser. And so I'm making a 3D printed fidget laser. You know what? Nah, that's kind of stupid. Don't care about the laser part. Let's just make a 3D printed fidget spinner because, well, everyone's already done that about half a year ago, and I'm bored, but I've never done it, so let's just get into it. Okay, so these are the parts I have to work with. I have this tiny little bearing that I think I pulled this from I don't even know what, probably like a VCR head or something like that. I just popped it out, and I have two of these, and these are sealed type little tiny little bearings, and my camera keeps focusing in and out. Anyway, yeah, so this should do pretty nicely. I don't know the condition on these. They might be a little worn, so it might not be as good as if I bought one, but that's what I have. In addition to that, I have some M3 screws. Let me just fix the focus so it doesn't keep doing that. So I have some M3 by 8mm screws. These are kind of hefty, so these will add a little bit of weight. Additionally, I have these guys, which are M3 nuts, basically. So I'm just going to stick a bunch on the end there and to weight down. And if I need a little more weight, I have these washers also, so I'm just going to stick a metric ton of those on, and that'll be adding weight to the arms, and the center will obviously be the bearing. So anyway, let's just get into it. I'll show you guys the modeling, the 3D modeling of it, as well as the printing, and we'll come back at the end and I'll show you guys what the results were. There we go. Finished. So, how did it all turn out? Well, okay, that was fun. Anyway, basically, I'd shown you guys I added some fancy schmancy text on here that says SGM4306, and kind of forgetting how big, or rather how small this was that I was printing it at. So the 3D printer was just like, nope, and didn't even bother trying to print that, obviously, because it would be absolutely minuscule. So anyway, yeah, you can see here it is absolutely tiny. Well, not the tiniest thing, but basically it's proportional to the size of the bearing that I use. So yeah, it works. It spins pretty freely. And so what I ended up doing was printing out hexagon-shaped squares inside here. And, well, not squares, hexagon-shaped hexagons. And I fitted a bolt inside, and then I screwed a screw with a washer, and then I put another washer and another bolt. So basically there are 2 washers and 2 nuts on each side, as well as a M3 screw. And yeah, as you can see, I had to do a little bit of tweaking to make sure that it doesn't pinch anywhere on the holdy part. And yeah, you can see here, it spins quite freely. I'm just going to sit here and fidget because I'm bored. That looks really cool on the camera. It does not look anywhere near as cool in real life. Anyway, yeah, you can see everything works, and it is a pretty small fidget spinner. Pretty sure this is not the world's smallest, but I really don't care. It works. It works. Spin, damn it. And the cool thing is you can actually blow on it to get to spin, so let me try. Probably couldn't even see that. I was probably out of frame. Anyway, there we go. Just 5-hour version of me playing with a fidget spinner. Anyway, yeah. If you guys want to make one, I could put up the files, but you would specifically need the exact hardware, the exact random ball bearing that I found from somewhere that I can't remember years ago. Yeah, so anyway, fairly easy. Body took about 40 minutes to print. The caps took like maybe 4 or 10 minutes, something like that. Under 10 minutes, definitely. So all in all, this was like less than an hour project, and modeling didn't take that long too. And so yeah, anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, you know, say something nice down below. If not, say something mean down below, because invariably I get those as well. And I will see you guys in the next video, as my camera has a lot of trouble focusing on this. Anyway, bye.